It might sound basic, but you'd be surprised how many men don't know how to properly clean their penis. And yes, poor hygiene can lead to itching, infections, odor, and even sexual health issues. Let's talk about exactly how to clean your penis safely and effectively, especially after age 50. Hey, I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and this channel gives men over 50 real answers to real health questions, without the awkwardness. Today's topic: how to clean your penis the right way. It's simple, but there are a few things many men get wrong. Here's why hygiene gets even more important as we age. Thinning skin becomes more prone to irritation and infections. Sweat, dead skin, and bacteria build up in skin folds. Reduced mobility or flexibility might mean it's harder to clean thoroughly. Higher risk of conditions like balanitis, inflammation of the head of the penis, especially in uncircumcised men. Keeping things clean helps prevent itching, odor, infections, and discomfort, and improves sexual health too. Let's walk through the basics. Whether you're circumcised or not, this is your daily routine. 1. Use warm water, not too hot, not cold. 2. Mild, fragrance-free soap. Harsh soaps can irritate the skin. 3. Gently wash the shaft, base, and surrounding area, groin, testicles. 4. Rinse thoroughly, soap residue can cause dryness. 5. Dry completely, pat dry with a clean towel to prevent moisture buildup. If you're uncircumcised, there's one very important step. Gently pull back the foreskin. Wash the head, glands, and inside the foreskin with water and mild soap. Rinse well and always pull the foreskin back into place after drying. Skipping this step can cause a buildup called smegma, a mix of dead skin cells and oils that can lead to odor, irritation, and infection. Here's what not to do. Don't use strong deodorant soaps, body washes, or alcohol-based products. Don't scrub aggressively, the skin is sensitive. Don't leave moisture trapped. It can lead to fungus or irritation. Don't ignore itching, burning, or rash. That's not just poor hygiene, it might need medical care. And please, never insert anything inside the urethra to clean it. Your body takes care of that naturally. Even with good hygiene, issues can still come up. See a doctor if you notice persistent redness, itching, or discharge, pain when urinating, a rash that doesn't go away, foul odor despite regular cleaning. Sometimes these signs point to infections, STIs, or skin conditions that need treatment, not stronger soap. Good hygiene isn't about being paranoid. It's about prevention. A clean penis is a healthy penis, and it takes less than a minute a day. It's a small habit that can make a huge difference in your comfort, confidence, and overall health. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more straightforward men's health content. Got questions about can too much masturbation harm my penis? Watch our next video, it breaks down all the common causes. Stay clean and stay healthy.